Alright guys, so here's how to change display language in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go and select the file into the menu bar, and then from here you need to go and select the options. Alright, right after that you will probably see the language, so select that one, and then from here you need to select the add a language. Now once you have done to here, you can simply select the language that is preferred. So let's just find out a language. So let's just go with this one and simply tap on set as office display language. Make sure that it is ticked mark and simply go with the install and simply go with the OK, and Microsoft will start downloading the language for you. Alright, right after that simply go with the yes. Now as you can see guys, we got this option, so we will go and simply continue and go with the OK. So now we need to end the application. It says it is applying the updates for you in the Excel, so it can take some time. Now as you can see, all the updates has been done. So if we just open up my Excel once again, as you can see guys, the language of this Microsoft Excel has been changed. So now the language is different from now. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.